guys, I'm Maria Brown. Welcome back. Today we're going to make turkey broth and use that to make beautiful turkey gravy. Come on, let's go get started. So I've got this small turkey that I bought, and I'm going to use it to make a turkey stock, and I'm going to use the turkey stock to make turkey gravy. I've washed the turkey, and now I'm going to cut it and we're going to bake it in the oven. I always cut up poultry on plastic and then pop it right into the dishwasher afterwards. So I just remove the gizzards and the neck, and I cut this turkey right in half, and I cut the wings off. Okay, so rub some oil right on there. Make sure you get all the parts. And now put some salt and pepper right on there too. Flip that over and do the same thing to the back. And we're going to start by roasting it in the pan this way, and then after about 20 minutes, we're going to flip this over. A little salt and pepper. And into the oven it goes. Pop that into a 425 degree oven for about 20 minutes, then we'll flip it over and continue to cook it. In the meantime, go ahead and chop up 2 celery stalks and 3 carrots into big chunks. We're also going to chop up 1 onion. We're going to cook the onion in a pot and caramelize it. For the onion, first we cut it in half, and now we're just going to chop it up into rings. I'm also going to skin these cloves of garlic. Now these are giant cloves. Look how big that is. If you have small ones, I'd say to go with about 6 of them, but since these are so big, I'm going to go with just 4. So I'm going to skin these, and we're going to cook those with the onions. Now just go ahead and slice those up. Okay, so after 20 minutes, just flip this over, and we're going to pop this right back in the oven for maybe another 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. So I just took the turkey out, and now I'm going to lift up the turkey parts, and I'm going to put the carrots and celery right underneath. So I just threw in the neck and the gizzards as well. And now I'm going to put this right back into the oven and cook that for another 45 minutes, but this time at 350 degrees. I'm going to coat the bottom of this pot with some canola oil, and then I'm going to put it on a low heat, and I'm slowly going to cook the onions until they start to caramelize. Okay, I think I'm going to slice up another onion and throw it in there. That doesn't look like enough because this pot is so big. When I'm cooking onion, in addition to just letting it cook slowly in the bottom of the pot, I also like to tip it and just let it all fall down into one side, flex into one spot, and I just feel like it cooks better this way. I do the same thing with garlic. Look how beautiful that looks. Those are gorgeous. See the caramelized color? Now I'm going to put the garlic in to cook that as well. Now I'm going to throw in 5 or 6 sage leaves. Just heat that up a little bit. Turkey just came out of the oven after 45 minutes. Now we're going to put this whole thing right into that pot, and we're going to add some water to it, and then we're going to let that cook slowly for a couple of hours. Okay, put everything right in there. I'm going to throw in, what is that, about half a cup of parsley. Just gonna put that right in there. And now I'm going to put in water. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to simmer this for a couple of hours, and it's going to develop the most wonderful depth of flavor. If you use this stock for gravy, wow, the flavor is going to be amazing. I just threw a little salt and pepper in there too. Wow, just look at that broth. Now I'm going to go and strain it. Man, this thing is heavy. I'm going to strain about 1 gallon. Look at that gorgeous broth we're going to use to make the gravy, and it is going to be delicious, and we're going to have a ton of it as well. If you got anything out of that, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.